Hello everyone, it's Aaron from Addicted to Nature, and we're actually in a tree house right now. And Garrett had the idea, because we are completely in our comfort zone right now, to go out of our comfort zone and to go barefooting outside. And yeah, the problem is it's 2 degrees outside, so let's see how it goes.
10 Minuten bitte.
Yeah, 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Okay.
Let's go. We are crazy. We just found this tower in the middle of the woods here. We're gonna go up here. 2 degrees outside. Let's go. What a beautiful view here. We are here in the top in Germany.
The top in Germany.
Completely barefoot.
2 degrees. And now we go in the cold water.
In the lake.
In the lake, yes.
Oh my god. Yeah, there's a small nature lake here.
Perhaps you can see it.
Maybe. No, you can't. We already see the nature lake here. It's beautiful. To be honest, I haven't been in this cold water for a long time. Maybe last time was last winter. Now we're almost in December. Garrett, can you tell us what you feel under your feet?
I feel very good. I think very healthy. My blood flow goes up and down very quickly. I'm perfect.
We can't see how deep the water is, but it looks really, really deep. Actually, when we have been at the German Open's ice swimming event, there has always been like a guy that says you like take off your clothes, go into the water and this stuff, and now there's no one to tell you to get into the water, so it's actually, yeah, much more difficult. See that you're already ready, yes. So get inside. How cold is the water?
It's warmer than outside.
It's warmer than outside.
I feel really good. Perfect. Wow, it's amazing.
Already complaining that I'm not going inside the water because he has to wait and has to be longer inside.
It's really nice. So nice.
Thank you guys for watching. This was just a small video of how every day of our lives looks like. And now I'm going back.